At IKEA, we've decided a less meaty future can be just as tasty. Now, we've recreated one of our true classics. It all starts with pea protein, extracted by mixing yellow peas and water, which is forced through a nozzle under high pressure. The protein pellets that are the result are dried and then hydrated again. Next, we add onion and potatoes and, to get just the right texture, oat bran, dried apple, and rapeseed oil. Rice flour holds it all together. The perfect meaty taste is achieved by adding natural flavoring and is balanced by mushroom, tomato, lemon, salt, black pepper, and classic allspice. Finally, the batter is shaped and fried, and it's ready to serve.